What's up, everybody, and good morning. Today is a different day. We are decided to take a little bit of a break from all of the chaos that we've been having in the yard, and we decided to come snowboarding. So my buddy Julian and I, you guys have heard me mention Julian, we decided to take an impromptu trip up here and go snowboard. It's the first real snow of the season, and yeah, today we're about to shred. You can see it's 22 degrees outside, as I just showed you, and the weather conditions are pretty perfect. It's a little bit windy up here, but other than that, it's gonna be a great day for boarding. There's fresh powder, and yeah, let's get on the slopes. Hell yeah. All right, well, we finally made it. We're on our first ski lift, so time to get ready to shred. Slows the way down. Go. Perfect conditions. Woo! Sick. Our board really needs to be waxed. Hit it. There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah. Ready? Do this. Dang, this one looks cool. Got an edge. Oh. Okay, so my battery died, so we're back in the car, kind of chilling, eating, hydrating. So this is my last battery, so I'm not really gonna get a whole lot more footage. We might do a couple more runs. I might try and get my chesty footage because I did bring my chesty with me. And then, I don't know, we're gonna kind of just enjoy the mountain, and then I will show you and then sign off and we'll be good. So we're gonna rest a little bit longer and then head back up.
There's some nice powder back there.
Yeah, super nice. That one rang my bell a little bit.
Yeah.
When I fell.
Your head went back.
Yeah, it hurt a little bit. It's all good though. So this is Cedar Ridge. There's a lot of nice powder over here. The only problem with the end of this run is it's really long and really flat, so you have to get a lot of speed to make it all the way over there to the lift, and even more speed to make it all the way back to the accelerated lift. So, what do you think? One more time, and then head over to the accelerator again?
Say like 5 more times.
All right. Remember when we went through this?
Yeah.
I think we came down this actually.
I was just thinking that. Fucking gnarly.
Yeah. Last time Julian and I went snowboarding, we decided to come through all these rocks and try and, I think we even have video of it, huh?
I think so.
I think on one of our like really old videos, we have like coming off of the rock. Ready?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, right? Yeah. waiting here. Limbo.
Waiting and debating.
Yeah. People, if you can't get an on and off, don't go snowboarding or skiing. This is taking up our time. And you're probably hurting yourself, and you probably don't... Oh, there we go.
There we go. All right, no more complaining.
All right, no more complaining. All right, so we are back here at the car. We are all finished for the day. We got about 20-25 runs in, and we're pretty tired. I mean, we only got like 6 hours of sleep. He got like 2 hours of sleep, so he kind of just made it and went for it and sent it today. So I'm wrapping this vlog up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry that it wasn't a drift vlog, if it wasn't a 350Z vlog, but I appreciate you guys staying around, checking out everything that's going on. I'm gonna be putting up vlogs that are gonna be 350Z related, Subaru related, travel related, Mike related, shop related. It's gonna be a hodgepodge of everything. So I hope y'all are ready, but make sure you guys hit the notification bell, like, subscribe, hit me in the DMs on my Instagram at the Crooked King, and I will see you at the next video. Peace.